Hey everyone, Keylog here. So today I wanted to talk about the importance of writing down all of your goals on a whiteboard. So the reason that I was inspired to do this video is because tonight I just achieved 2 of my goals that I've been working on for the past 5 years. My wife and I, any goal that we write on a whiteboard behind us, we're 100% successful in reaching that goal. Whether it's paying off our debt, whether it's buying a brand new house, or increasing our savings. Every single time that we write down a goal on this whiteboard in the back, we're 100% successful on achieving that goal. So the reason that I wanted to share this video is not just to brag about the fact that we're successful, is because if you have a goal, I highly encourage you to get a whiteboard and write down that goal. It doesn't matter what goal it is. It could be the most strangest goal, the most difficult goal, the most unbelievable goal to other people, but it's your goal. The point of the whiteboard is so that you accomplish all of your goals. The goals that are on the whiteboard are goals that are set to improve yourself. When you write down your goals on a whiteboard and you place this whiteboard in a location where you're forced to see it every single day, you can't ignore your goals. You're forced to think about them every single day you stare at that board. So what that does is it mentally persuades you to not forget about those goals and focus on them and accomplish them. So that's pretty much the video. I guess I could share the 2 goals that I've done. So if you have, aside from that, if you have goals that you want to accomplish, I highly recommend you go and get a whiteboard. These whiteboards are like $40. And place this whiteboard somewhere where you see it every single day and write down all your goals. I guarantee you that you will achieve your goals eventually. I'm going to share my goals with all y'all, and I'm also going to share the 2 goals that I reached that I've been working on for 5 years. So these goals, I'm a little nervous to share them because they might seem a little strange to some of you, but these are my goals, and these goals are set there to improve myself. So I think maybe sharing them with y'all will probably encourage you to go ahead and write your goals on a whiteboard. All right. I'll just share my goals, not my wife's. So we split the board in half. Hers is on the right side, mine's the left. So these are the goals that I have to accomplish. There's no time limit. I just have to accomplish them. So I need to get a manager role. I need to reach 100,000 in my salary. I need to complete my MS master's degree in my MIS. I have to pay off the house. I have to reach a savings of 30,000. No FAP and no porn for a year. I started that journey to improve my mental health. I have to upload a video for my Keylog YouTube channel at least once a month. And then I started another channel called Erie Wilderness that I have not uploaded a video yet, but I'm challenging myself to upload a video per month. And I also want to have a kid. So these are my goals. These goals are all set there to improve something that I think all these goals are set there because I think they'll be improvement to myself. Whoops, kicked it. So the 2 goals that I've reached is I became a manager. I'm a manager now, and my salary is more than 100,000. Those are the 2 goals that I've been working on for 5 years. And I stare at that goddamn board every fucking day. And I finally did it. Get out there, get a whiteboard, write your goals down, and succeed. Thanks, guys.